Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to use projects in Todoist. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Todoist.com website and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all the tasks that you have scheduled for today. So as you can see here guys, I have multiple tasks that I have, and let's say that I want to use some projects with my tasks. So if you look at the left side screen guys, you will see multiple options that you have for viewing your tasks, such as your inbox. You can see your upcoming task, and here you can see your projects. So guys, as you can see, I have multiple projects, and basically guys, what projects are there ways to group your tasks. So as you can see, I have my education projects and my work projects, and all the tasks that are related to education, I can throw them into the education project, and you can see them all right here grouped. All the tasks that are related to work, I can throw them right here, and then you'll be able to see them all in one place. So let's go back to the main page guys, and let's say that I have this task right here that I have created called YouTube tutorial. Let's say that I want to move it to another project to be able to organize it easier. What I'm going to do is go ahead and click the task right here, and this will now open up this new window where we'll be able to edit our task. So as you can see here guys, in the upper right corner there is the option called project. What you want to do guys is go ahead and click this arrow pointing downwards, and this will now open up this new projects where you'll be able to select where you want to throw your project in. So let's say I want to create my YouTube tutorial into my work project. So you can either select it into a sub project or you can just select it into the original project. I'm going to go ahead, select my work, and now you can see I have successfully moved it to my work project. So I'm going to go ahead to the project, and now guys, you can see here are all my projects that I have for work. As you can see, here's my YouTube tutorial project. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it, that's how you use projects. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.